breakfast smoothie. I have just a basic blender here. I've got some overnight oats. I soaked them yesterday in some water and a little bit of lemon juice just to break down any phytates that might be in there, because oats are really good. But then if you eat them raw, you may have some anti-nutrients in there that will prevent you from being able to absorb the nutrients. So I soaked them overnight just to break that, and then I drained off all the liquids, so to say, so that I get rid of those anti-nutrients. I've got my blender here. What I'm just going to do is pour down my oats. So I just put the oats in the blender, and then I've got some frozen fruit here. As you can see, some basically different types of berries. I'm targeting to goals, so that's when the output. That I'm also having here with soy yogurt, because and then I just put in some more of the yogurt in there. You may not have seen that step. Just quite a lot of yogurt. Anytime, then I think it's not very happy. There we go. So this will be what I'm taking to work. I'll have this breakfast, potentially with some bread. I'm not so sure, but yeah, that's my breakfast smoothie. Have a great day. Catch up with you on another recording soon.